In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view open positions on Exness if you want to quickly check your active trades, monitor entry prices, and keep an eye on live profit or loss. Exness makes that pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact path inside the platform so you can find your open positions with confidence. To begin, go to your Exness personal area. This is the main dashboard where you manage your account and access trading related tools. Once you arrive there, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so all menu options are visible and easy to select. From the personal area, click on trading. This section brings together the main trading features and gives you access to the platforms and tools connected to your account. If you're new to the layout, don't worry. This is a normal starting point for anything related to positions, orders, and market activity. Next, click on Exness Terminal. This will open the web-based trading interface where you can view and manage your trades directly in your browser. It's a convenient option because you don't need to install separate software to check what's currently happening in your account. Once you're inside the Exness terminal, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll find a trading account manager area, sometimes labeled as the toolbox. This lower panel is important because it contains the sections where trade information is organized. If you don't immediately notice it, give the interface a second and scan the lower portion of the terminal carefully. From there, click on the Open Positions tab, or in some layouts, the Active Trades tab. This is where all your currently running orders are displayed. In this section, you'll be able to see the trades that are still open, along with useful details such as the entry price and the live profit or loss for each position. This area is especially helpful when you want to monitor market movement in real time and stay updated on how your trades are performing. Just remember that the values shown here can change continuously as prices move. So refresh your attention regularly while you're reviewing your positions. And that's it. Once you know how to access the trading section, open Exness Terminal, and use the toolbox area, checking your open positions becomes quick and easy.